Good morning, you guys. Today is day one of classroom setup. I'm opening my blinds to my room right now and I'm about to get ready and then we're gonna go. Alrighty, we are in the car. I have my car packed to the brim. My mom has her car packed and I forgot my keys dead. So we're just gonna set you right there for a second because I have to plug like my whole entire keychain in. And this case is in it, and then my foot doesn't reach the pedal, so. Now, here we go, so much better. All right, I'll tell you a little bit about what we're gonna do today. All right, so our main focus today is kind of just to like arrange the classroom, figure out how I'm gonna like do it, because I've seen this classroom before. Obviously, it was my, well not obviously, but it was my team teacher's classroom last year, and we're just switching. So I've seen it, but it was like different because it was because of like COVID. It was like in rows and it was in rows instead of tables, and I want to put it in tables. So actually, hold on, let me text my friend and tell her that I'm on my way. Also, hi, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Rachel and I'm going to be a first year, third grade teacher. Here's a little overview of my room. We just walked in. I have my mom, one of my best friends, Gibby, helping. Okay, this is it. It kind of looks bigger with the wide angle lens, but here I think is gonna be my reading nook. That's where my desk and stuff is gonna be. These tables are gonna be gone, so we gotta move my desk over here, move that stuff out, take all that down. Are you guys excited? Yeah! All right, this is what we've done so far. Having a really hard time figuring out how to position like my bookshelves, and over here is gonna be my reading nook. And the walls aren't, if you can tell by the tile, like it's not even. So we're trying to figure out, I think I'm gonna just do two bookshelves that are the same size as that one right here for my reading nook, and then put like my comfy stuff like on the sides is what we're thinking. There's my closet and my desk, and my filing cabinet and my 10 drawer cart. I'm gonna contact paper that, it'll be cuter. But yeah, that's what we have so far. It'll come together. I'm a little stressed right now. Okay, little update. This corner back here is gonna be my reading nook. And this is my TA, Gibby. Hi! Also, one of my best friends. So we're about to go to Walmart to get bookshelves for right here, because basically the wall, like I was showing you guys, is like not like even. You can see the cubes. So, and I like just too OCD. So like I'm gonna need it to be like perfectly under here. I don't want it to be like too far out or too high to where it covers the bulletin board. So we're gonna measure these bookshelves really quick because I found some at Walmart that I like that are only $22, and I'm kind of like I need it right now person, so we're gonna go get it like right now. And thanks to Gibby, she reminded me I need to get all the other stuff out of my car before I put the bookshelves in there. So let's measure these bookshelves. Okay, we've taken a pause on the bookshelf situation because it was just gonna be too much. So these cabinets right here, we're about to make them into fake bulletin boards. And I don't know what I'm putting on them yet. And then I think we're gonna focus on like the decorating really quick. We've laid everything out on the table, kind of in sections. We're putting my colors of the world stuff in these little bits. So I have the crayons, the colored pencils, and then the markers. Here are like some fidgets and stuff for the prize box, supplies, decorations, stuff that needs to be put together. So we're off to a good start. Slow start, but a good one. We are back with our lunch. We're having a little picnic in my room. Yeah. And I found the passwords that I needed. We had a little bit of a panic thing right before we went to lunch because I was locked out of the computer and I didn't know my password, but it was in my car. So praise the Lord, because now I can print all of my decor and everything out. And this room will start coming together. So I'm excited. Okay. I'm about to go laminate all of my decor bundle. I'm really excited. I did the Calm Colors collection, and so here are my little like clock things, my voice levels, so many things I'll show you when they're laminated. I'm super excited. All right, we're gonna put up this bulletin board with this fabric, It's pink. It like has little, it needs to be steamed. We're gonna steam it later. Okay, let's see the way. All right, we finished one bulletin board. It looks so cute. It goes so good with the gray in here, so that's kind of the front. We're done with this one, and then we're about to do this really big one with this blue, kind of light blue, kind of purpley. I think it kind of has some lavender in it, maybe. This is gonna go on that one, so cue the time lapse. All right, well, we ran out of staples, so we're gonna go to my workroom, teacher workroom, and see if they have any for us. Got the staples. Woo! We have Buttfee, my sweet boyfriend, helping me put this cart together. It's gonna look like that. Here's the beginning. We'll come back at the end. All right, here is the work in progress. It's coming along really well. You're doing an amazing job. This is so nice. Someone donated this from my Amazon wish list. So thank you so much if you're watching this. I love it. It's gonna be perfect in here. Also, here's a little update. Here's my bulletin board. We're steaming the fabric tomorrow or something. I'm hanging that up there. Here's Mom, thanks for helping. We have this bulletin board, looks really good. Then I have Gibby, thanks for helping. They've done so much. And that's all we've done. The finished product looks so good. Don't know what I'm gonna use it for yet, so if you have any suggestions, let me know. I love it. Okay. Thanks, Nugget. Project number 2 that I'm putting my boyfriend to giving him this task. It's this right here, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. All right, we have this bulletin board done. There's my sweet boyfriend still working on that thing. All right, here is all of my teacher stuff. We're about to load it up. Some of it, not all of it. There's Gibby. But this will all eventually make its way to my classroom. There's like my library books, but we're not bringing those today, so. Alrighty, day 1 of classroom setup is complete. I didn't get to do a good video of what it looks like, but I'll show you guys tomorrow morning in day 2 of classroom setup. I'm really excited of how it's turning out. We didn't get a ton done today, but I feel like we got a lot done that like needed to be done first. Like we just kind of got everything there and spreaded it out, and like now I know what I have, what I need to get, that type of thing, where I was like, it doesn't look like a lot was done, but a lot was done up here. So it'll be good. It'll be super fun tomorrow. Put up a couple bulletin boards today, and I'm gonna go get organized tomorrow, laminate all my stuff, and got a lot going on tomorrow. So I'll see you back for day 2. Go ahead and like this video if you liked seeing my classroom setup day 1. I promise it's only gonna get better. And subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And thanks so much for watching.